Right, so let me give you a little bit of an overview about Shenyun, okay? So actually, they have a long history. So they actually founded the company in 1984, and they actually focus in wooden toys specifically. And the factory is actually ISO 901 certified factory, and all products actually comply with the EN71 and ASTM standards. They have their own brand, A Cool Toy. They export worldwide to Europe, to USA, to Canada, South America, and 30 other countries around the world. Now this factory is actually 80,000 square meters. It's really huge. It's like a small town already. Now they have 2,000 workers and 6 workshops. So let me just give you a little bit of overview about their workshops. Actually, they have 6 workshops. Recently, they invested in automation. That includes CNC cutting machine, drilling machines, track molding machines, and spray painting line. So they have 50 CNC machines, 200 drilling machines, and polishing machines. This guarantees actually production quality. All right, so aside from, manual machines, from semi-automatic machines, now we have a fully automatic machine here. This is actually a CNC cutting machine. That means it cuts from these big planks of wood over here, of plywood that I have here. They get chunks of it, they enter it or feed it to that machine, and what happens is it can actually cut specific pieces precisely by the size that they set this machine to. You see this piece? This piece actually is quite similar with these. These are going to be hanged. They go around this facility. It's in like a carousel or a conveyor type. So it goes around the whole factory and it enters this specific machine. Now this one is actually the electrostatic automatic spraying machine. Right, so we're here in their physical lab testing room. So what happens here is basically what we do, or what they do, is they bring the products here, they do all these kinds of physical tests. When I say physical test, it means they take the product here and they try to go through or simulate different scenarios, different situations, probably dropping them, putting them to different conditions, whether it's going to be transported, and all these things need to be tested. We are now in their research and development facility. This is where it actually houses 20 members or 20 talented and expert designers. So